Welcome to a culinary journey across Portugal, a land known for its rich and diverse food culture. Today we will delve into the heart of Portuguese cuisine, exploring 6 traditional dishes that capture the essence of this vibrant country. From the comforting warmth of bacalhau à brás to the sweet delight of pastéis de nata, each dish tells a story. And we'll be taking you through each flavorful tale, one bite at a time. Prepare your palate for a delightful exploration of Portuguese cuisine. Our first stop is the classic bacalhau à brás, a traditional dish from Lisbon. This delightful recipe has humble origins, starting with shredded salted cod or bacalhau. Next, we mix in thinly sliced potatoes, onions, and scrambled eggs. The dish is then garnished with olives and sprigs of parsley for a burst of color and flavor. This dish, with its simple ingredients and comforting flavors, holds a special place in the hearts of the Portuguese. With its comforting flavors, bacalhau à brás truly embodies the heart of Portuguese cuisine. Moving on, we explore the rich flavors of arroz de pato, a signature dish from Braga. This hearty dish combines tender duck meat, aromatic rice, and a splash of Portuguese wine into a delectable blend. To the people of Braga, it's more than just a meal. It's a cherished tradition, a reminder of home, and a testament to the culinary prowess of Portugal. Arroz de pato is a testament to Portugal's love for hearty and satisfying meals. Next, we will delve into the sweet side of Portuguese cuisine with the famous pastéis de nata. This delightful dessert, a creamy custard tart encased in a flaky pastry shell, hails from the beautiful city of Lisbon. The allure of pastéis de nata lies not only in its heavenly taste but also in its simplicity. With just a few ingredients, eggs, cream, sugar, and puff pastry, this dessert has captivated taste buds across Portugal and beyond. A bite of pastéis de nata is like a sweet journey through Portugal's rich culinary heritage. Now, experience the street food culture of Portugal with bifanas, a popular sandwich from Vendas Novas. This delightful dish is a marriage of succulent pork steak marinated in white wine, garlic, and spices, all nestled within a crusty bread roll. Bifanas are the epitome of Portuguese street food, simple, hearty, and bursting with flavor. This sandwich is more than just a quick bite. It's a beloved tradition savored by locals and tourists alike. Bifanas is a simple yet flavorful testament to Portugal's vibrant street food scene. Lastly, we explore the humble yet flavorful caldo verde, a typical soup from the Minho province. This hearty dish is a testament to the culinary prowess of Portuguese home cooks. It's simple yet packed with warmth and flavor. At its core, caldo verde is a potato-based soup, blended to silky perfection. It's seasoned with garlic and onions, then studded with thinly sliced collard greens, or couve, that give the soup its name, caldo verde, or green broth. A few slices of churrico sausage add a smoky depth, making each spoonful a comforting delight. Born in the verdant Minho province, caldo verde has journeyed far and wide, winning hearts with its simplicity and heartiness. It's more than just a soup. It's a celebration of Portugal's love for fresh local produce and hearty, satisfying meals. Caldo verde is a bowl of comfort that beautifully represents the simplicity and richness of Portuguese cuisine. As we conclude our culinary journey through Portugal, we hope you're inspired to bring these flavors into your own kitchen. We've traveled through the delightful streets of bacalhau à brás, savored the richness of arroz de pato, indulged in the sweet charm of pastéis de nata, took a hearty bite of bifanas, and were warmed by the comforting caldo verde. These recipes are more than just food. They're a glimpse into the heart of Portuguese culture. We encourage you to try these recipes and explore more of Portuguese cuisine. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey. Until next time, bon appétit.